Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil, natural gas, copper, nickel and silver mini in the same video. The chart you are seeing is the 7-minute candlestick chart for crude oil. Yesterday the market opened near 2750s and it came down till 2720, took support, went up till near 2860s, found various resistance around 2860 and found various support in and around 2800 and 820 zones, and closed near 2820, and today it's expected to open somewhere near 2850s. So what we can do again, we think that the market can go for or continue selling, sell till 2920 by placing stop at 2940, expecting the price to come down. We know that this is quite a high average stop loss zone, but still we feel the market can find resistance in these levels. So it's a quite risky trade. So next let us see what we can do in natural gas. So coming back to natural gas, yesterday the price opened here or just below 240 and it had a very big selling and it came down till 228 and closed near 229. Today the price is expected to open somewhere near 229. Wait for the price to approach near 231 or 230s, then go for selling till 232 by placing stop at 234, expecting the market to come down. Since the price had fallen a lot, there are chances that the price can give a bounce back, so you will get an appropriate level for go for selling. Let's see what we can do in copper. So copper, yesterday the market opened here 529 and came down till 528 approximately, and then went up till 532 and closed near 530. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 529. Again go for buying till 526 by placing stop at 525, expecting the market to move up. Now let's go and see what we can do in nickel. Yesterday the price opened here 1146, came down till 1141, and straight away it went up near 1160, consolidated and closed near that, and today it's expected to open somewhere near 1156. Go for we need to go for selling till 1160 by placing stop above that. It's quite a very risky type of trade again, but we feel this 160 this level is a very big resistance for nickel market, because the price dropped from this level. Again the price is testing it, so we feel see where the market is opening. If the price is opening at 1154, then you can have 156 as resistance by placing stop at 1158. You can place the stop at these 58 levels and then you can go for selling. But if it is opening within this 58, 56 and 60s level, you need to go for selling till 62 by placing stop at 64. You need to adjust the supports or resistance based upon the area where the market is going to open. So now let's move on to the next commodity, silver mini. So what we can do in silver mini, the price yesterday opened somewhere near 61,895, tested 61,600, went up till 62,600 and closed near that. So today it's expected to open somewhere near 62,400. You can go for buying till 62,000 by placing stop at 61,900, expecting the price to move up and hit various resistance marked as possible targets. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Up trading, take care, bye.